In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency in PayPal. So the first thing to do is just go to your browser and then search paypal.com. Once you enter it, just you will going to reroute it in this page. And after that, um all you need to have to do is to click these three bars on the right side of the PayPal balance. You can see here the manage currencies. So you want to click on that. After that, you want to go ahead and find this one, add a currency. So as you can see here on my currencies, I have Philippines and also a USD or from a United States. So if you want to add a currency or you wanted to add a currency, just click on here. Just find here your country. For example, if I'm going to click on this, I'm going to add a currency on that. And then you can hit done. And then there you are, you can see it. But if you want to change your currency, since as you can see here, my primary currency is Philippines, I'm going just to tap this third or three bars on the side and then just hit this make primary. Okay, so if you want to make this primary, if you're from United States, just hit this make primary and again hit the set as primary and done. All right, so as you can see, the USD is my primary currency right now. That means I can use that on my transactions. So no, for note, you can add multiple currencies to your account, but you can only have one primary currency. All right, so that's it for today. I hope this video helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.